What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something massive, the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's latest flagship, and I can't wait to dive into it. Let's get started. Let's take a look at what color we got. It's the new titanium black, a new shade for the Pro Max lineup. Alright, now let's get into it. Time for the best part, the unboxing. Now let's lift the lid. And there it is, the iPhone 16 Pro Max in all its glory. This is a 6.9-inch display, edge to edge, and the new titanium black looks absolutely stunning. The matte finish feels premium as always, but it's lighter this time. Here's something new. Check out the new camera control button on the side. Apple added this to give you quick access to the camera with a single press, and it's fully customizable. And just like that, the camera is ready to go. This button is going to be a game changer for mobile photography and videography, which I do a lot of on my main channel. You can go check that out if you like. Now, let's see what else we have in the box. No charger, as we all know by now, but we do have the usual suspects. And since I'm upgrading from my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I'm finally getting my hands on a USB-C to USB-C cable to have a full USB-C support iPhone. Other than that, we just got documentation. Simple and straightforward. But let's be honest, we're all here for the phone. Now, let's talk about the highlights. The dynamic island is back and is improved, more responsive, and now more integrated with third-party apps like never before. We've got the 120Hz ProMotion display with even deeper blacks thanks to the new LTPO OLED panel. And look at this camera bump. We're talking about a 48 megapixel triple lens setup. First up, we have the 48 megapixel main sensor. This is where you're going to get most of your detail, especially in well-lit conditions. It uses quad pixel technology, which means it combines 4 pixels into one larger pixel, giving you more detail in each shot, especially in low light environments. The ultra-wide lens was bumped up to 48 megapixels, which has a 120-degree field of view. This is great for those sweeping landscape shots, or when you want to capture more of the scene without stepping back. Apple has also improved distortion correction, so you don't have that fisheye bubble effect anymore. So you'll notice less of that when you use the wide lens. And here's where the iPhone 16 Pro Max really shines for photography enthusiasts. The 12 megapixel telephoto lens with a 25 times digital zoom. You're not losing quality when you zoom in because of the optical zoom feature, and it's perfect for those close-up portraits or capturing details from a distance. This lens is going to be a new best friend. Let's not forget about portrait mode. The depth control of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is next level, allowing you to adjust the background blur even after you've taken the shot. This gives you complete control over the focus, whether you're taking a classic portrait or creating more artistic effects. And you can even apply the studio lighting effects for a more professional look. It's almost like having a mini DSLR in your pocket. Another cool feature is photographic styles. Instead of filters, these styles let you adjust the tones and warmth of your photos, but without losing detail in things like skin tones or natural elements. You can personalize each shot, making it more dynamic without losing the quality of the image. You can now shoot 4K at 120 frames per second, giving you incredibly smooth footage for those cinematic slow motion shots. And if you even want to go even slower, there's a 1080p at 240 frames per second, which is perfect for capturing high speed action and stunning detail. These slow motion options are going to make a huge difference for content creators and anyone who loves shooting action-packed moments. Everything from sports to creative B-roll shots will look buttery smooth. And for all you power users, Apple has bumped up the battery life on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We're looking at an impressive 33 hours of usage, compared to the 29 hours from last year's model. So whether you're recording all day in 4K or gaming on a gorgeous display, you'll have more juice to keep going without reaching for the charger. Now let's power this bad boy up and get our first look at iOS 18 on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That new always-on display is just insane. It stays active, but with the power efficiency like never before. And we can't forget about the new control center. It moves fluently up and down now, so that's nice. And you can fully customize any widget you have on your control center. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and you can even move it around anywhere nice and fluid. Whether it's your timer, your remote, your screen recorder, or anything, you can adjust the size of any app. There are new ways to interact with Siri. You can double tap the bottom of your screen if you don't want nobody to hear you. And you still have the classic Hey Siri with a new animation. Battery life is supported to be better than the 15 Pro Max, and I'm excited to test that out. So there you have it, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. My first impressions are this phone's a powerhouse. Between the new design, at least for me, coming from a 13 Pro Max, the beastly cameras, and a super smooth display, I think Apple nailed it. But there's a lot more to test. If you like this unboxing, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.